Hello, dear students. You're welcome to RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Saini, and today I'm going to discuss another topic of organic chemistry, namely amino acids. And you know that amino acid is a part of biomolecules. This is the important for IIT, JEE, NEET, JRF, UGC, or even IAS student. As you know, I keep posting nearly 10 questions and some basic concept of chemistry time to time. I think these questions and topics are help to you to improve your chemistry and understand some basic concept. So I want, please like, subscribe, and share video for your known person who preparing these related exams. First, first we, we explain amino acid, their basic properties, characteristics, physical properties, chemical properties, and related pH and letter code. For example, in JEE 23, three questions, namely three questions asked JEE for related to single letter code of the amino acid. For example, question number first, match list first and second, natural amino acid and one letter code. See the question, very careful. All amino acid, their name start from A, like as arginine, aspartic acid, asparagine and alanine, and single letter code are different, like as D, N, A, R. Similarly, this question, first type question is also asked in JEE. For example, question second, the different amino acid, glutamine, glutamic acid, tyrosine, tryptophan, and the single letter code are different. Same question. Some structures are given, and on the hydrolysis, which type of amino acid, and write their single letter code. For example, this question is also asked in JEE 23. Another question. This question is also related to the structure of amino acid. Natural occurring amino acid that contain only one basic functional group in their chemical structure. See the name. Question. Which is not true about the arginine. Not true about the arginine. Crystalline. It means this question is related to the properties, physical properties of amino acids. Question next. In J25, identify essential amino acid given below. This is structure. This question in J25 is also related to the structure and characteristics of amino acid. Question number next. Some in given 9 peptides are listed below. How many peptides are positively charged at pH 7? This question is also related to their pH and physical properties. Therefore, first of all, we explain some basic concept about amino acids. Amino acids are those organic compounds. Amino acids are those organic compounds which contain amino group as well as NH2 group. In common system, the position of amino group may be alpha, beta, gamma, etc. And as their name are given, alpha amino acid, beta amino acid, and gamma amino acid, etc. Most natural occurring amino acid which take part in protein synthesis are alpha, and their configuration is L. L means it is a relative configuration and given with respect to glyceraldehyde. For example, when amino group at chiral center present in left hand side, then this amino group is denoted by L. And when the NH2 group present right hand side to the chiral center, then this amino acid related to the D form. And these relative configuration given with respect to glyceraldehyde. Most of the proteins are formed by the L amino acid, or we can say proteins gives L amino acid on their hydrolysis. However, some D amino acids are also known naturally. Total 20 amino acid are naturally occurring amino acid, in which most of the L amino acid, but some D amino acids are also known. For example, arginine, aspartic acid, glutamine, and serine. Their L and D both form are obtained. Glutamic acid, aspartic acid, L and D. But In protein synthesis, their L form taking part and D form of these amino acids are mainly present in the cell wall of bacteria, algal, their cell, etc. Okay. Okay. Now we explain their structure. Many questions asked from their structure as well as single letter code, three letter symbol representation, chiral, etc. For example, natural occurring amino acid which have L configuration, their skeleton is following type. And this group G is different. For example, on the basis of group amino acids and their names are following type and single letter code. If G, name of amino acid, their three letter code, their single letter code. One letter code. For example, if G is H, the name of amino acid is glycine. The name of amino acid is glycine, and their three letter code is GLY, and one letter code is capital G. If G is methyl group, then the name of amino acid is known as alanine. The name of amino acid is alanine. Three letter code is ALA and single letter code is A. If G is methyl, one hydrogen of methyl group replaced by phenyl. One hydrogen of methyl group replaced by phenyl. Then the amino acid is known as phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. Three letter code is PHE and the single letter code is F. When G is isobutyl, first isopropyl, then the amino acid is known as valine. Three letter code is VAL and single letter code is V. If G is isobutyl group, then this is known as leucine. Amino acid is leucine. Single letter code is L and three letter code is LEC. If G is secondary butyl, this amino acid is isoleucine. Three letter code is ILE and single letter code is I. These six amino acids in which only functional group is NH2 and OH. Functional group is NH2 and COOH only. No other functional group is there. And these hydrocarbon part, these are the hydrocarbon part, or in case of glycine, the free valence is satisfied with G, with H, or we can say G means hydrogen in case of glycine. Next, two amino acids in which extra acidic group is there. In these six amino acids, namely valine, namely phenylalanine, valine, leucine, and isoleucine are essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those which are not synthesized in our body, or we obtain these amino acids through the diet. These are known as essential amino acids. And the amino acids which are synthesized in our body are known as non-essential. Total 10 amino acids which are essential amino acids. Next, two amino acids in which extra acidic group is there. For example, if G is CH2COH, this amino acid is known as aspartic acid. Aspartic acid. 3-letter code is ASP and single letter code is D. Next, one CH2, one more CH2 in the structure. Then it is known as glutamic acid, extra COH group. It is known as glutamic. It is known as glutamic acid. Single 3-letter code is GLU and 3-letter code is E. Note carefully. Aspartic acid denoted by D. 1-letter code is D. Glutamic acid, single letter code is E. Next, two amino acids. Two amino acids are their amide. For example, when COOH group change into an amide group, then it is known as asparagine. 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 Single letter code is ASN and 1-letter code is N. Next, glutamic acid, the acid group replaced by their amide group. The amide group. This amino acid is known as glutamine. Glutamine. 3-letter code is GLN and triple letter code and single letter code is Q. Single letter code is Q. So 4 amino acids are complete. Next, 3 amino acids which contain alcohol or phenolic group in their structure. Phenolic or alcoholic group. For example, in case of serine, the free valency or G is CH2OH. This amino acid is known as serine. 3-letter code SER and single letter code is S. Next, this is the alcohol group. When this alcohol group present at the ethyl radical, then this amino acid is known as threonine. This amino acid is known as threonine. It is also essential amino acid denoted by THR or 1-letter code is T. And when phenyl group with OH para position, the para position of phenyl ring contain OH group means phenolic group, and this CH2 attach the free valency of carbon, then it is known as tyrosine. This amino acid is known as tyrosine. These names like as glycine, tyrosine are common names, and the common names of amino acid are given on the basis of their source or their properties. For example, tyrosine, this amino acid first time obtained from the cheese. First time obtained from the cheese. And in Greek word tyros. Tyros means cheese. And as their common name is given tyrosine. Single letter code is TYR and 3-letter code is TYR and single letter code of tyrosine is Y. Next, 3 are amino acids contain alcohol or phenol. 2 amino acids in which sulfur is there. 2 amino acids in which sulfur is there. 1 in thiol, the sulfur in thiol form. For example, G is CH2SH. This amino acid is known as cysteine. 3-letter code is CYS and single letter code is C. Another, when 2 extra carbon with thioether form CH3S CH2 at the place of G, then this amino acid is known as